I want is more than you can give me.
This is how heaven looks to me. This is what we will be cooking today. Apple spice baked buckwheat. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, and it's delicious. If you want to know how to cook this, keep watching this video. Oh my god. Okay, let's start cooking. This is the ingredients that you need. Probably know, well, my followers on Instagram, they definitely know that I love Russian buckwheat. I think this is the best buckwheat, maybe because I'm Russian, I don't know, but it really tastes way better than any other buckwheat, let's put it this way. If you want, I can leave you the link below this video on Amazon where you can get this delicious buckwheat. I will leave the recipe below this video with the amount of the ingredients so you can make this a big size buckwheat pie, buckwheat cake. And right now, because I'm gonna eat it by myself, I don't need a lot. I will use this muffin size. I will reduce the amount of the ingredients that I will use in this video, but I just wanted to show you the procedure. This recipe is very simple, like every single recipe on my page and on my Instagram page. So if you're not a professional cook, trust me, you can handle it. Okay, let's start.
Honey, welcome to Trivago. Tell me who you know, who is it tripping for a follow? Ball in the air like Showtime at the Apollo. Puffing up your chest, the next thing you know is hollow. But well, hello, I've been swinging like some jello. The guy wanted a fun guy, he gets some portobello. So I guess I need some grease up on my elbow. Yeah, but now my light turned yellow. And I've been looking for a cheat code. Life don't come in a neat bowl, bringing the receipt home. But we know that. Keep your head up and your seat pulled back.
So now, can you see me? Choose any nuts that you have. Walnuts, actually, they go the best with this recipe. That's my personal opinion, but I don't have walnuts. I will use almonds and what's the name? Wait, hazelnuts. Boom on. Just like this.
Hey, Lord Jesus, I know I'm wrong. This is
Step number 2 or 3. You take, first of all, shake this coconut milk. Take another bowl, and then you're gonna mix coconut milk with any type of sweetener that you want. You can use maple syrup or agave syrup, whatever you want. Buckwheat, honey. Just in case if this dish is not gonna be buckwheaty enough, so now it will.
Don't give up on me. Don't give up, don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Don't give up, don't give up, don't you give up on me. You are what my heart desires, more than I could ever know. You're the reason why I'm
Now
trying.
what we will do, it's called layering. Take your pan, grease it with olive oil, and then we'll do layers. The first layer will be buckwheat. The second layer will be coconut milk with, in my case, buckwheat honey. And the third one will be nuts and apples. If you want, you can add additional cinnamon or nutmeg. Then the second layer will be again buckwheat, coconut milk, nuts, and apples. So you got the idea, right?
I'm a triple, honey, welcome to Trivago. Tell me who you know, who is it tripping for a follow? Ball in the air like Showtime at the Apollo. Puffing up your chest, the next thing you know is hollow. But well, hello, I've been swinging like some jello. The guy wanted a fun guy, he gets some portobello. So I guess I need some grease up on my elbow. Yeah, but now my light turned yellow. And I've been looking for a cheat code. Life don't come in a neat bowl, bringing the receipt home. But we know that. Keep your head up and your seat pulled back. Had to do people see you that can burn the man? 22 years on a personal brand. Yeah. I told you, how do people see you that can burn the man? 22 years on a personal brand.
This is the last layer, so make it look pretty.
How do people see you that can burn the man? 22 years on a personal brand.
Now clean this mess a little bit. Like this, and sprinkle with some cinnamon if you want. Now this one is gonna go to the oven that is set at 350 degrees for 40 minutes, probably. Yeah, more or less. Now tasting is my favorite part. Guys, this is so delicious. This recipe should be definitely on your list of recipes that you should try to make. Delicious. Oh, by the way, ignore this thing, okay? In my next video, I have two options for you. We can make shakshuka, or we can make absolutely delicious orange cake. What do you want? Please comment.